This is CountLab technical video CL735 demonstrating how to perform the end of day Z report without printing the audit on your CountLab 7, 8 or 9 register. In this video I'm using the model 9, but the process is the same across the range. So if you've seen videos CL731, you'll understand that the standard end of day report prints with the audit on there, but it's possible to remove the audit from printing if it's not required. To do this, you turn the key round to the P1 position, press the page down button 7 times until delete data is highlighted, press cache total and then arrow down 4 times until delete flowing record is on the display and highlighted, press cache total to go in and press cache total to confirm. You then press subtotal to come back to the main settings menu, and then you can turn the key round to the Z position to carry out the standard financial end of day report. That's when you turn to Z, that's the first report that's highlighted. So you simply press cache, cache again to print, subtotal, and then you can turn the key back to the reg position. Thanks for watching.